Male enhancement techniques, including supplements, are marketed not just to improve penile size and erection quality, but also to help prevent premature ejaculation, which is a common problem among men today. They help keep a man from coming too early in bed and therefore prolong the sexual action. But do you know enough about premature ejaculation, and if you're susceptible to having it? There are two types of premature ejaculation, which are 1. Lifelong and 2. Acquired. The lifelong type of premature ejaculation takes place very early in a man's life, typically when you are a teenager and supposedly enjoying your first sexual encounter. It is usually rooted in deep psychological issues, such as rushing through ejaculation when you are masturbating, because you don't want to be caught by your elders. On the other hand, the acquired type occurs later in life, usually as induced by stress, relationship issues, and medical conditions like high blood pressure. Here are 3 ways you can fight premature ejaculation the natural way. 1. Condoms with a thicker wall, which will reduce penile sensitivity. 2. Start-stop technique, so far the simplest method to do on your own or with a partner. Here, you stimulate your penis and stop just before you feel that you are about to orgasm. Stop the stimulation for about 30 to 60 seconds, and start again when you feel that you have regained control. The process can be repeated 4 or 5 times, stopping and resting every time you're about to come. Let ejaculation finally occur for you to better identify the point of no return. 3. Squeeze technique. This has been around for decades, and involves squeezing your penis in the area between your shaft and glans for about 30 seconds, the time you are about to come. This will stop ejaculation, but beware because it may also affect the quality of your erections. Repeat 4 or 5 times until you don't want to delay your orgasm anymore. Make sure to do these tips safely and without compromising your penis and overall health. Overdoing them, too, can potentially kill the sexual pleasure for you. Seek the help of a doctor or a sex therapist to get to the bottom of what triggers your premature ejaculation, and effective therapeutic remedies. Supplementation can also be explored, but be careful and choose only high-quality male enhancement pills coming from a reputable manufacturer. What you should know is that penis pumps mainly seal your genitals in a tight seal and therefore remove the surrounding air. The pressure pulls the blood into your penis and inflates it further. This brings about favorable results given a minute or so. The purported results, however, are quite temporary. Once you remove your penis from the tube, it immediately intends to revert back to its original state and size. What users do to fight this is to fit a penis ring around the base of their organ. They then get a bigger width in a matter of few minutes. While there are benefits, there are also disadvantages of using penis pumps that have been widely documented. First, using penis pumps cannot be done in a discreet manner, as the vacuuming should be done a few seconds before you actually engage in sex. This can be a potential concern for your partner, who may not agree to penis pumping or noticeable sexual enhancers, for that matter. There is a real danger, too, for your genitals, for when you overuse or misuse the pump, which can harm penile tissue. Given the risks, it is only smart to follow rules and guidelines.